Hello student, today I will teach you History Chapter 1 Beginning of the Modern Period. Okay, and first topic is your that the how do we choose dates. Okay, we must know that a date becomes important if the event associated with it is significant in some way for us. The choice of date in history has always been subjective depending on what issues the historian wanted to focus on, what slant he wanted to give to an issue. Slant means importance, what they wanted to give importance. Okay, for example, the British wanted that their consequent of India, their administrative policy and achievement should be on the focus of history of modern India. Okay, Indian history was divided by the British into three periods. What is the three periods? Hindu, Muslim and British. Okay, this kind of division was started by a Scottish economist and political philosopher James Stuart Mills in 1817, and it continued to be accepted till India became independent. But what happened that this division too has its problem. What is the problem? Modern period has been associated with the growth of all forces of modernity. What is the modernity? Science, reason, democracy, liberty and equality. Okay. Medieval was a term used to describe a society where features of modern society did not exist. Okay, as we shall see in this book, under British rule, people did not have equality, freedom or liberty. Therefore, many historians refer to this period as colonial period. Which period? Modern period is considered a colonial period. Okay. Now, Indian history has been divided into three periods: ancient, medieval and modern. But you know why importance of dates? Because there was a time when history was an account of battles, big events. It was about rulers and their policies. Historian wrote about the years a king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had child, or the year he fought a particular war. Okay. They also noted with interest when the king died and when the next ruler ascended the throne. Now historians write about a number of other issues and questions. What is the question? Show dates of the particular events may not seem to be importance in themselves, but they became very important when we focus on a particular sets of events. When we begin to look at some other sets of event, a new sets of date becomes important. Okay, understand? And now come to the next topic is what is colonialism. Colonialism is the practice by which a powerful country directly controls less powerful country. Okay, and uses their sources to increase its own power and wealth. It is called colonialism. Okay, and we will study in this book how the British slowly and surely subjugate the whole of India, how they gained control over Indian economic and society and brought about great and dramatic changes in our values, custom and practices. About all how they exploited us in everywhere for their own benefit. Okay, that thank you.